Well, Darren, this is a sweet little machine, 72 Bronco.
72.
Not exactly a stock color, though.
No.
Wow, I mean, she screams. What is the color?
We took a Ford chrome yellow and
Which
added,
was a stock color,
Which
right?
was a stock color
Yeah.
on the Broncos in the 70s and the 60s. And we wanted more orange to it. We didn't like that chrome yellow was more of a yellowish color.
Kind of a school bus?
School bus, exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
So we took and added more orange to it because we wanted to stand out more. We wanted a brighter color.
You got some pearl in there, too.
It has pearl mixed in it.
Man, I love the fender extensions in silver, though. That
Yes.
orange and silver really looks good. Now, have you always been a Bronco guy?
I've been bought into it.
How?
My wife.
A Bronco gal. You gotta like that.
That's it.
She wanted a Bronco?
She wanted a Bronco, and she located this thing, and we drove 4 hours to buy it.
Wow. Well, what kind of shape was it in when you found it?
When we bought it, it was I guess you could say it was sort of okay, but we put a lot into it and bringing the color back from green to this orange color, and we've raised it up a little bit, put a cage suspension lift kit on it.
Is that what it is?
That's what it is.
She brought it up quite a ways.
Brought it up 5 inches.
Wow. And you do all the work, or a lot of it?
Well, we did most of it.
Yeah?
Between me and a friend of mine, it took about probably 9 months.
Well, that's not bad.
It's still a work in progress.
Well, they're never done.
No, no.
Well, you did a nice job. Did you have to pull it all apart pretty much?
Pull it pretty much apart. The whole Bronco come to pieces.
I like the wheels and tire combo. We got Mickey Thompson tires. Good looking wheels.
Pro Comp wheels.
Yeah? Man. Well, then you kind of kept this the silver orange theme going in your interior. That's really nice too.
We also have the gray top that matches.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah.
matches.
So what's the interior out of? That's not stock interior.
That's
is it?
naugahyde material. Actually, it's a marine grade material.
Yeah.
And I have a friend of mine that custom made that for us.
Original seat frames though?
Yes,
No kidding.
original seat frames. And that's what he does for a living, is upholstery. So he knew just what to do.
I didn't think Broncos were ever that comfortable.
Those are.
Now, did it have that center section there?
Actually, that was original back in the
Really?
70s. And we had to locate that. We located that off the internet.
Man, that's really cool. And then you kept that kind of silver gray theme
Kept
on
the
the
silver
on the
gray
dash?
thing on the dash.
And you wired in some tunes. I see a speaker
Wired in
hiding back
tunes.
there, a couple speakers
Gotta
back
have
in
the
the
music.
Gotta have the music.
Can't ride without the music.
Now, did it have this roll bar with it?
No,
or?
that's add-on. That's not original, but that was added on last year.
And she does. This thing's like chin high. This stuff,
Yes.
This baby sits up.
Yes.
But you got what? You got a couple kids,
Got 3 kids.
and they love bombing around in this.
2 in the back, 1 in the middle, and we take off.
And I mean, do you drive it a lot?
Not very much. Cruising the Coast, we bring it out and drive it quite a bit.
But that's about it, huh?
That's about it. Most of the time, we keep it shut up and locked up.
Well, she sure looks nice. Now, back in '72, there was a 6-cylinder option, and there was a V8, a 302.
302.
Yeah. What does this have?
This one has a 302.
Can we go look at it?
Sure.
All right, man. Well, that is 302.
This is a 302, and this is our next project. We've basically got the outside the way we want it to look, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to probably add me a stroker.
Really,
Put
huh?
me a 302 stroker in it and just beef it up a little bit.
But this is the original engine?
That's the original
Has she ever
engine.
been rebuilt?
Nothing.
So it's still ticking, huh?
The only thing's been done to it is the carburetor been rebuilt. It's all original.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's a working engine, but these are working machines, too.
That's right.
Wow. And it's kind of, now that she's up so high, working on this engine ain't so easy anymore, is it?
It's not. You have to be on a step ladder, a 5-gallon bucket.
And is that toolbox? Is that where they put them?
Yes, they
Wow, that's
mounted
pretty
them
cool.
on the fender wells.
That's where you keep all your vital stuff,
All my vital stuff.
including a couple spare quarts of oil.
You got to keep a quart of oil.
Absolutely.
Never know when you need it.
Man, but it's well, like I say, they're never really done. This is just the next project. Then you'll find something
That's
else.
the
to do.
next project, and then I'll find something else.
Gosh, it's a great looking ride, and these babies are getting kind of scarce.
They are. You don't see them that much here on the coast.
Yeah. You don't see them anywhere. I mean, they were used up. So to find one in this solid a condition, you're lucky. And then to do such a cool job on it. I mean, I really like this.
Thank you.
Good job. And you say you get a lot of looks with this baby.
A lot of looks, a lot of head turners.
I believe that. Well, hey, man, thanks for bringing this baby out. 72 Bronco.
Thank you, Dennis.
Screaming orange.
Thank you.
Way cool.